In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TradingView colors. Start by opening your browser and searching for TradingView. In the results, click the official TradingView link that says Track All Markets. Once you're on the site, open the Products menu and choose Super Charts. That will take you straight into an interactive chart where we can change the theme and colors. On the chart, right-click an empty area to bring up the Context menu and choose Settings. This opens the Chart Settings window. We'll begin in the Symbol section. Here you can set the color of the candle bodies. Pick distinct high contrast colors for up and down candles so trends are easy to spot at a glance. Next, adjust the candle borders. Matching borders to the body color creates a clean look. Using a darker border can help candles stand out if your background is light. Then tweak the wick colors. Keeping wick colors consistent with the candle direction helps with quick reading of highs and lows. Move to scales and lines. In this area, edit the symbol color. This affects the way your symbol's lines and reference levels appear against the axes, so choose something that remains visible over your background without being distracting. Now go to Canvas. This controls the overall look of the chart area. Set the background color first. Dark backgrounds reduce eye strain for many users, while light backgrounds can print better. Choose what suits your environment. Adjust grid lines to be subtle. Light, low contrast grid lines keep the focus on price action. Update the crosshair color so it's easy to track across both candles and blank space. Set the watermark color so the symbol watermark is readable but faint enough not to interfere with analysis. Then customize text colors for axis labels and scales, aiming for strong contrast. Finally, set the default lines color used by drawing tools so your annotations are visible without clashing with candles. Head to the Alert section. Edit the alert lines color to make alert levels instantly noticeable when they trigger or appear on your chart. When you're happy with everything, click OK to apply your changes. Take a moment to scan around the chart and make sure the key elements, candles, wicks, grid, text, and alerts, are all legible. If anything looks off, you can reopen settings and fine-tune until it fits your style. That's all you need to set up TradingView colors with clarity and confidence.